Alright, I'm going to talk about my latest payload I'm calling SMB Spy. It's kind of a companion payload to my responder payload. Before I get into this, this touches some iffy subjects against some terms and services of YouTube and whatnot, so I give myself permission to break and whatnot my own equipment, and you should only do this on your own test environment or equipment you have permission to do so. With that out of the way, SMB Spy is a little recon tool, and it's super simple. But say like after you ran your responder payload and you're able to harvest some information from that, and you were able to crack that information, you would run SMB Spy against it to see what exactly is showing on that network as shared drives and whatnot. So SMB Spy has two options at the very beginning. You can pick Wi-Fi or you can pick Ethernet, whichever one you have access to first will work. And I'll start off with the Wi-Fi just to show you how it works. And what I like about this little payload that I wrote, at the very end of it, it'll give you some suggestions on what commands to run on your laptop after it's all said and done. I was going to put some SMB programs onto the pager, but the way that the file system's set up, you're more likely to break the firmware than is worth it. So as you can see, it was able to find an open SMB, and then it says next step suggestions, which sorry, here's the commands you would run on your laptop and to see more. But I also want to show you that it does work with Ethernet. Ethernet's a little bit slower because it has to grab a DHCP lease and all that fun stuff, but I'm just going to show you that it does work too. Oh, that's remote access. And then after this runs, I'm going to show you on my laptop some of the extra commands from the suggested things that it tells you. But I'm not going to show you how to crack the hashes or anything like that. That's for your own research to figure out. Now, I probably should have restarted my pager before running this video because I've been beating the crap out of it this morning. It's not doing too bad right now. Now, it's essentially just trying to give me the same results, but I just want to show you that both Wi-Fi and Ethernet does work. Like I said, this one is a little bit slower than the Wi-Fi. See my dog in the reflection. There it goes. So now it's starting to give me that information. it's running a little bit slower. But I added that little last step there because there are some newer people that are wanting to get into this, and I wanted to try to make their life a little bit easier and make it a step-by-step process instead of trying to feel like you're starting from new all over again. Because I know how overwhelming it might be being new. So we're gonna plug this into the computer. Okay. Whoops. So, as you see here, it'll show you some things to run. I'm going to go ahead and do this one. Now, before all this, I mean, you see my videos where I was able to get the NTLM hashes, and I cracked it in the background and whatnot. Plus, I already know the password and username because I created those. So for this test, but I'm just going to show you what it looks like. I mean, it makes it super easy. And then the other one, so there you go. Real super easy. It's a little fun companion payload for the responder payload. And I will be submitting this for a PR today, and hopefully it gets pulled in soon so you guys can start, well, you guys can start downloading it anyway because we got a pull PR payload. So I hope you guys have fun with it. Give me some feedback if anything's broken. And as always, thank you.